Hello everybody, it's time to get the Echo GT225L stream trimmer up and running for 2025. Service the spark plug and the air filter, and then fresh gas and a tune-up will be set to go. Let's check out the spark plug. This one also developed a problem last year where it didn't want to shut off with the kill switch. So I'll check into that as well. May have to order parts, don't know yet. Here's spark plug reveal for the GT225L. Let's go to the spark plug cleaning station and clean it up. Let's clean the spark plug in the GT225L. That certainly looks better. Alright, a little wire brush action. Carb clean. A little more brush. I think we're looking pretty good. Gap looks okay, so we should be good for another season. Let's get into the air filter. That's really not bad, but I'm going to go ahead and change it because I got a bunch of them. There it goes. Add some fresh gas. A little too much. There, that gave me a little room. We'll do a tune-up. That should be good. Let the fumes dissipate just a minute. We'll give it a test start. I guess while we're waiting on the fumes to dissipate, let's see what's going on with this switch. This may not be the right thing to do, but I'm going to do it. See if it's just a little dirty. Doesn't feel any different. We'll see. That one's also purging nicely. Feels pretty good. Choke on. And it actually turned off, so GT225L is ready to go. Thank you for watching.